Okay. Male 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 ni maruda male. Maybe I'll get a strike. I don't know why water. I don't know why I'm laughing. Swing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Vlog. So in this video, I'm gonna create heatless curls for the first time. Not for the first time, I have already created a heatless curl with straws. That was a mini curl. I will share in my iCard so you can check it over there. So yeah, I'm so excited to create this. Now the time is 9:30, so I'm going to keep these curls for overnight. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. So today I'm not going to use any dupatta or satin cloth. So I'm going to use this pure cotton towel. So this is the length. Today itself I washed my hair, so I didn't use any serum, conditioner, anything. I just washed my hair with shampoo and water, that's it. So let's do it. I have seen lots of videos. They are placing this towel or cloth here like this. Towel, cloth, socks like this. Maybe you will get some noise from outside because my folks are watching IPL match. So I'm getting some memories with this towel. Do you remember that song? Wait a second. I adjusted my camera to show you. Do you remember that song? When I was in hostel, we usually play like this. Male 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 ni maruda male. Maybe I'll get a strike. Okay, fine. Let's come back to our video. Again, I have to adjust my camera. When I was in college hostel, we danced for this song in bathroom rooms like that. That was a fun part and also that was a great memory. So yeah, let's back to our work. So first I'm going to partition my hair. So the other people's doing in their videos. I'm having water. I don't know why water. Going to place this on my top of the head. I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'm having water. Take section by section and do it like this. I really don't know whether I'm doing in a right way or not, but let's try. This kind of curls I'm doing for the first. BRB. They said I didn't tie it properly, but it's alright. I am done. This is how the back side looks like, and this is the front side. And also I'm going to spit some water. And here I'm going to keep these curls for overnight. Now the time is 10, so yeah, let's see you at morning. Now I'm going to wash my face and I'm going to do my night care routine. Bye bye. It's the next day morning. I have done my makeup. For this makeup you can check out my Instagram and the shorts. So yeah, so now I'm going to remove this parcel. Let's see how it's going to look. I'm so excited to see. I don't know how the outcome will be. Shit. Okay, this is the outcome. I really surprised. I love these curls. Okay. Actually, now it's power cut, so I'm starting to sweat. Oh my god, look at my curls. Really, really, really. From now onwards, I'm going to do this curls only for any party or any functions, occasions. I really, really love this. The serum is from L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum with 6 precious floral oils. Thank God. So yeah guys, this is how heatless curls looks like. See? I am so happy with this result. From now onwards, I am going to repeat this procedure for functions, occasions or any festival. So yeah, I love this outcome very much. Hope you like it. Bye bye. Let's meet you on next video. Until then, signing off from Sana and you are watching Sana. Bye.